The true beauty never seeks attention and validation. It's their loss if they can't see what a fabulous person you are. The core of beauty is simplicity. Beauty is not in the face. Beauty is a light in the heart. Beauty is not about having a pretty face. It is about having a pretty mind, a pretty heart, and most importantly, a beautiful soul. Beauty is nothing if your tongue is ugly. It is up to you to see beauty of everyday things. Beauty is what you feel about yourself, not about what you see in the mirror. The beauty you see in me is a reflection of you. Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. Hey everyone, thanks for coming to this channel. Please like, comment and subscribe channel to get motivate yourself.